It is argued that students can learn more in collaborative rather than individual tasks.
The competency in the language in the assignment is to use more formal words. Anonymous behaviors can be identified without intervention.
The company number of bankruptcy skyrocketed in the third quarter.
Their geographic assignment should be submitted by the midday of Friday.
This is how we deliver healthcare to millions of people all over the world.
Ideally, free trade is beneficial for trading to both two partners.
The undergraduate students are taught with a rigorous course in our psychology department.
The health center is situated at the corner of the university behind the library.
We are so dependent on the computer that we cannot live without it.
留洋英语
The United Kingdom is a constitutional monarchy and parliamentary democracy. Only those who are over 18 years of age are eligible to open a bank account in our bank.
The trip for the professional training will start soon, so pack the items before we leave. My laptop has crashed and cannot save any file.
All applications of internship are available in the office.
The timetable will be posted on the website before the class starts.
There are a range of housing options near the university. We need to read the first 5 chapters in preparation of next Monday's tutorial.
You can only choose one subject from biology and media. Our capacity to respond to national needs will determine our ability to flourish.
留洋英语
The Generic Biology Technology Lab is located at the north wing of the library.
Conferences are always scheduled on the third Wednesday of the month.
The lecture was meant to start at 10.
Our School of Arts and Technology accepts applications at all points throughout the year.
The older equipment has been put at the back of the building.
You should inquire about the direct deposit.
Many of the university's original buildings are still in use.
Companies are aiming to earn the money, not to change the society.
Essays with few or no citations will be regarded as invalid.
You can pay using cash or a credit card.
留洋英语
Thank